Click on New Text. Begin typing or copy-paste a word or text document into the window. Let's look at the menu bar. When you click on the ... button, you have several command choices. This includes various formats, bold, italics, positioning, and list choices. Only the positioning and the increase or decrease indentations are not listed in the expanded bar across the top. Next, we have undo and redo choices. The Format button has several choices. We have our choice of headers. Click on the header you wish to use. Remember that you should not skip a header level when you are writing. You may reuse a header level of 2 or lower as long as you do not jump over a level. Inline choices include bold and italics, which are also buttons, but we also have underline, strike-through, superscript, and subscript. For blocks, you have choices of paragraph, block quote, and division. Going on across the bar, we have bold and italics buttons. To use these buttons, we can click on the button, and then type or highlight and click on the button for the effect. You can use the effects individually or together. For lists, you have the choices of an ordered list or numbered list, and a bulleted list. The button with ABC and a check mark on it is the spell check option. When you click on it, misspelled words will be underlined in red. Click on the word for choices or retype the word. If no misspelled words are found, then you will see a blue box appear with no misspellings found, and an X in it. Click the X to remove the box. The next two buttons are used to decrease the font or increase the font of what is written. If we click the button with A- on it, the font decreases, and if we click the button with the A+ on it, then the font will increase. The next button has a gauge on it. This button allows you to change your reading speed. Click on the button, and then move the marker to the speed you wish to use. The last button is the Reading Language button. Select the language you wish to have the information on the screen read to you. For instance, you can see that we have the written document in English, but I can choose to have it read to me with a Spanish accent. Let's listen.
Two roads diverge in a wood and I took the one less vowels by, and that has made all the difference. Virgulilla Robert Frost.